You can use guided access to limit your device to a single app, so you can hand it off to someone else. In this video, we'll show you how to set up guided access, and then how to start a session and end a session. To get set up, start in Settings and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Guided Access. Tap the switch to turn on guided access. Now tap Passcode Settings and tap Set Guided Access Passcode. Enter a passcode you can remember, and then re-enter it to confirm. To start a session, triple-click the side button in the app you want to use. You'll see this setup screen the first time you use guided access. You can tap Options in the bottom left corner to disable different buttons and controls or set a time limit. To begin guided access, tap Start in the top right corner. When you want to end your guided access session, triple-click the side button again. Now enter the passcode you set earlier and tap End. And that's how to set boundaries with guided access.